So I started my firm in 2018, ZZ Architect Practice. I graduated from University of Melbourne with the degree holder in architecture.
Looks brighter and spacious. For this one, we have introduced a glass folding door to this dining area because we want to maximize the view to the courtyard. So the courtyard, we use a lot of the elements like the timber decking.
I'm Daniel from GA Technology Feng Shui Sdn Bhd. I believe everyone here has heard about Feng Shui. May I know, can I do a survey? Who actually did a Feng Shui survey?
Basically, how to launch the thing? You come in with your request for the quotation, and then you meet and shortlist your interior professional. You go through with them first, and then you feel okay, you award them with their quotation. After that, you upload the quotation and you active into our apps. Then that's all. You eligible already.
我是在网上 Google search 然后找到的，我就 send inquiry 去他的 website， 然后他就 contact 我。rekatone。
From rekatone, they message me, then I open the session.
好像是透过 Facebook。
Yeah, it's about my renovation, so I want to find a good ID for my house. So because I'm not expert in ID, right? Someone that can advise on the design of the house.
看下有什么样的公司市场有什么样的东西可以让我们有一站式的design 到装修全部过程包完的
其实我是做我的家，就这个年尾就弄好了嘛，然后我就不知道要怎样。看到网上很多那种 interior design 就已经有 package 了，就那种嘛，所以我就想要这种东西比较方便哦，然后我也想了解一下，所以我就来这样。